Hey everybody, this video tutorial is going to be a quick look at how I can use Google Calendar to set up a meeting time with a colleague. We've been talking a little bit in our staff meetings about our uses of email and what is an appropriate or intended use of email, a mindful use of email, and what could we use other connected means and other technology means to accomplish the same task. Well, one of the ways that we can use Google Calendar is to actually set up meeting times with our colleagues without emails flying back and forth. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So what I've got now is I'm in my Google Calendar. Today is Tuesday, January 30th. I'm in a 4-day view, so don't let that throw you if yours looks slightly different. Say you normally look at it as a week. Maybe you look at it 4 days like I did. Maybe you keep it as a month view. Whatever works best for you, that's what you would be in. But again, don't let that throw you that mine might look slightly different. Either way, however your view is set up, we're going to start down in the bottom right-hand corner by creating an event. So I'm going to create an event. And let's say in this case, I want to meet with Maureen. We're going to talk about our project that we're working on building the video game. And I want to meet her in the tiger's den. I don't have to necessarily put all this in here, but the more you put in here, meet to talk about the maker space video game project. Okay, the more I put in here, the better. I'm going to get a 10-minute notification that gives me enough time to kind of stop what I'm doing, walk across campus to the tiger's den, and so on. And ideally, I actually want to meet with her tomorrow at around 11 o'clock in the morning. So that's my ideal meeting time. What I'm going to do is add her as a guest on this meeting. And this is the real key here. This option right here says suggested times, and I'm going to click on that. And what it's giving me is a look at both my calendar and Maureen's calendar. And it's saying, in this case, for example, both Maureen and I can attend at 11 o'clock. Or 11:30 or 12 o'clock, and so on and so forth. All right. Let's say I want to add even more guests. I want to include Kyle in this process, and now I want it to suggest times. Well, thankfully, he can also make some of these times, so we're good to go. But you can see down here there's a bit of a gap that all of the participants could not attend at a later time. So if 11 o'clock works, I go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to click on the Save button. To wrap it up, I have the option to send an invitation to the guests, and that would show up as an actual email to their inboxes. In this case, I'm not going to send this, although often you do want to go ahead and send that invitation. You can see that right away, here it is, that it appears on my calendar. Okay, and that's all there is to it.